Ready.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar and I have a confession. I just did a public speaking course and everybody who came gave very bad reviews, and we had I feel very lonely right now because nobody actually in this course improved, and I'm very sorry. Probably I gotta change my profession, and many people say bad things about me, and they're right. I do feel that it's Pramod, Kaveri, Akash, our entire team, Anupama, everybody, I think you're doing the wrong thing. In fact, let me just show you the people. Everybody who came improved. So I'm not changing my profession for now, at least for the next few years or months. The question is not, can you improve? The question is, are you freaking ready to improve? This is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.